Do you have a sibling, a family member, or a friend who just always looks at your phone screen every time you're typing in that password and they're watching letter for number and everything you're typing in as it briefly shows while typing in that password for whatever it is that you're trying to log in, and you don't want it to show? You want to be able to type without them seeing what's being typed. So for your Poco phone, and this can also be for other Android phones, there's a feature known as show passwords, which display characters briefly as you type. So to find this and turn it off, here's where you can go. In the future, where you don't want no one to know what you're typing in terms of passwords input, go into the quick access of your Xiaomi or Poco phone and look for the settings toggle right here. Once you go here into this section here, you'll see these different options or settings. Then go down to where it says privacy. So just go down until you reach right here, privacy. As you enter here, you'll see these different privacy options. So go down some more until you see show passwords. And this will be similar to other Android phones or other Samsung phones as well. And you'll see this right here, it'll tell you exactly what it does. So once it's disabled, from now on, if you're typing in a password, your letters or numbers won't be displayed as you're typing them, so that no one can know what you're typing if someone has prying eyes to see what you're doing there. And of course, you can turn this back on at any given time, like and sub.